Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute new events on your notification server settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, now click notifications, and here as you see you will find mute new events. Just click on it like this and it should be turned off, and that's it. That's how to turn off how to mute new events on your account on Discord. On your notification server settings, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. It's helpful for you. And thanks for watching. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.